Yeah, look at these birds
Baby,
enjoying the
I
water.
love you. Njakalonga mpelero, njakalonga mpelero, njakalonga mpelero.
Look at the birds
Baby, I
enjoying
love you. Kolimo inailolo,
the water.
kolimo inailolo.
Yeah, it's really so amazing to look at the gift of nature. As you can see, the birds, the water, the trees, flowers, and plants are our gifts of nature from God. We feel excited and happy as we look at them enjoy themselves and the freedom they have. Look at a bird flying. It comes and joins its friends. Okay. You hear the sound of the bird? Hear them. The way they walk, they are so social. They relax, move together. In fact, this is a kind of life that we as human beings should have as well. Inside the forest or the plantation is an animal. It's a deer. See inside there? You know what they call being fine?